Hey everyone, welcome to today's lesson. It should be a very short one or significantly shorter one. Okay. The first thing I want to do is have you guys start off with a warm up. Okay, so I'm not starting off with a lesson. I'm starting off with a warm up, and it's a review of yesterday's lesson. Okay, I'm giving you randomized problem type PT stands for problem type. Randomized problem type 1 and 2. Okay, so go ahead and do these right over here. Okay, so go ahead, press pause, do it, and I put the ranges here. Okay, now below I'm going to show you guys a problem type 3. Okay, so problem type 3, okay, looks like this right here. Let me actually take it step by step. Okay, so the very first step you do, okay, the very first step that you do is, I'm right here. Okay, the very first step you do is try to get this log by itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is subtract 5 and then divide it by 2. Okay, because remember, you can think of this as 5 plus a 2 big fat x. Okay, you can think of it as a big fat x right here. Okay, 5 plus 2x. Okay, so how do you get x by itself? It's, minus 5 from both sides and divide it by 2. Okay, so if you minus 5 from 8, you're going to get 3. Okay, if you divide 3 by 2, you will get 3 over 2. So right now, I'm at this step. Okay, I'm at this step right here. Now, once you get to this step, okay, remember there's an invisible 10 here. Okay, there's an invisible 10. Now you do circle of logs. Okay, that's where you start with the small number, circle out, then back. So you get something that looks like this. Okay, and then if you follow that circle you just created, you get 10 to the power of 3 halves equals to x over 4. Okay, now you put this into your calculator, and whatever you get for that, remember, you multiply both sides by 4. So whatever you get here, you're going to end up multiplying by 4. Okay, because to get x by itself, you need to multiply both sides by 4, which is the reciprocal of invisible 1 over 4. Okay, again, this is an invisible 1 over 4 that you currently should know it's there. And you multiply by 4 over 1, 4 over 1. Okay, and finally, you get this. Okay, 126.49. Okay? All right, so go ahead and do these problems over here. Okay, and the ranges will be right here. All right, and here are the properties. Okay, and I'll post the answers up, and that concludes today's lesson. All right, thank you for listening in, folks.